Hi, everyone. So I was going to be presenting about the geographical formation in mammals from Studies Weekly. I know that you guys should have read it yesterday. So what I'm going to do is kind of go through it a little bit, and then you guys are going to take a Google form and kind of answer some questions. Normally, we would be doing this kind of on screen, but with testing and everything, we kind of had to move it that you can kind of do it off screen today. Okay. So here you can see that we're going to be learning about Illinois this year, our tar pits hiding beneath the roads, mammal of Illinois, and what happened to the dinosaurs. And those are all the topics that are kind of in this little section. Okay, here we go. Here's the La Brea tar pits, which are in Los Angeles, California. Those tar pits contain the most preserved fossils ever found. They are near the busy Wilshire Boulevard. You can see the La Brea tar pits. The area is still bubbling with the sticky tar that trapped animals up to 50,000 years ago. Scientists have even found the bones of bears larger than any on Earth today, lions bigger than today's African lions, and camels larger than the elephants you can see at a zoo. Over 1 million bones have been found in these pits so far. No dinosaur bones have been found because they were already extinct by the time. And in 2016, 16 new tar deposits were found where a parking garage was being built at the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. Some scientists think that they will find 1 million bones there. And so what do the tar pits show? They show large animals that went extinct at the same time. Why? Many scientists say evidence points to the climate change that took place at the end of the Ice Age. The large animals couldn't adjust fast enough to the warmer temperatures. At about the same time, man first migrated or came over the land bridge that used to exist between Asia and North America. And another theory is that man may have hunted many of these giants to extinction. What's beneath the road you were on when you came to school today? Maybe more than you think. And so here's some animal skeletons that were excavated from the La Brea tar pits. Excavated means like taken out of the ground. And they have someone who cleans them off and they put them on display. And here's some animals that they had. So I want you to think, what do you think these could have been? Look at those long tusks. And then we're going to look at the Tully monster. I'm going to play a little video for you first. So just make sure to pay attention. Might take a second. Here you go. Here is the Tully monster. And the Tully monster is the Illinois state fossil.
The Tully monster would have been a soft-bodied animal, no hard parts. It had a proboscis, or trunk, like an elephant does, and at the end it would have been a claw-like feature with small little teeth. It had an eye bar and 2 eyes. It had what appears to be either a segmented body, or possibly these are patterns of muscles on the body. And at the end, there's a tail with 2 fins. Scientists have been trying to figure out exactly what animal this is related to, a living animal this is related to today. Some people think it might be a heteropod gastropod. These are clear, gelatinous, free-swimming snails that swim in the ocean today. They're sometimes called sea elephants. Other people have linked the Tully monster with worms or annelids. Others have thought maybe it's related to an extinct animal called a conodont, which resembles a hagfish or a lamprey that lives today. So no one's exactly sure what a Tully monster is. It's a little bit of a mystery. In 1958, Francis Tully, an amateur paleontologist and fossil collector, found a fossil that he had never seen before. He wanted to identify it, so he came to the Field Museum. Paleontologists here, including Dr. Eugene Richardson, looked at the fossil and had no idea what it was. It was a unique animal no one had seen before. So in 1966, Dr. Richardson published a paper and for the first time described the Tully monster. He named it in honor of Francis Tully, Tullymonstrum gregarium. And in 1989, the state of Illinois recognized the Tully monster as its official state fossil. It's a unique fossil, and it's found nowhere else in the world except for here in Illinois.
So that's kind of the cool part, is that it's only found in Illinois, and it's our state fossil. So I'm going to go back here so you can see. And then we're